Welcome back. I'm gonna place you down in my cabinet while I chat with you for a minute. But today is Monday. We have to do homeschool, and I have to clean up the house. I have to do some laundry. I'm also going to be going to the gym, I think, around 1 o'clock, so I have to leave here around like 12:45 or so. So I'm excited about that. Currently, I am just heating myself up some oatmeal for breakfast. We have reading comprehension and grammar, math, spelling, and reading for my older daughter. And then for my younger daughter, she's going to trace her name on this sheet. And then she's going to do her letter and her number out of this book. And then she's also going to play with her letter tiles.
Mommy, what's messy?
You still want me, and we will never be apart. I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone and sober up, because it's you and me now. You and me now. I try, and then I mess it up. That's the story of my life. Say yes, I'm at the coffee shop where we used to go at night. I guess I couldn't see just what you meant to me. Get off the phone and sober up, because it's you and me now. I do in daytime. I can't get enough. 'Cause it's you that I love, I got to have it. You that I yearn for. Why I wanna let this go. I got to have it. You that I yearn for. You wanna let this go. I got to have it. You that I yearn for. Why I wanna let this go. I got to have it. You that I yearn. You wanna let this go.
It is now 12:32. Cleaned up my house a little bit. I still have to clean up the dining room, but the kids were sitting at the table eating their lunch, and I had some tuna and cucumbers for lunch. But we're gonna be heading out to the gym here in a few minutes. I'm meeting at the gym at 1 o'clock to get some legs done. I will be back probably around 2:30, 3 o'clock by the time I like get home and stuff, because we usually work out for like an hour and a half. I'm putting on my shoes. I'll catch up with you whenever we get back from the gym. We're home. I just made myself a protein shake and I am so tired now. I definitely got a good leg day in, which I am happy about. And then I also walked for 30 minutes. Tonight for dinner, I'm gonna be making homemade pizza. So fingers crossed it turns out good. I don't really know. I've never really made pizza. It's not really from scratch because I bought dough. So it's not really like homemade pizza, but it's not pizza where we're like eating out. Because pizza is awfully expensive and just eating out in general is super expensive. So I have resorted to making a lot of things myself, which it's been a learning process, but I'm gonna get started on that here pretty soon. I'll probably wait until my husband is like off of work to start dinner, because I'm gonna give my kids a little snack before I start it. So I'm going to drink my protein shake.
That's cute.
Oh, do you like it? I thought it was really cute too. Hopefully that plant perks up.
It'll probably.
You think it'll perk up? I hope
Yeah.
it does too.
We run really quick. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We go.
My kids are being crazy, but I'm going to attempt to make some pizza for dinner. I saw this recipe on TikTok. I'll try to link it below in the description box for you. But it looks easy, but I'm also really intimidated because I'm not the best at cooking. I have hopes that it's gonna be okay. So, they called for, they as in the recipe, called for some pizza crust, like, or the pizza dough that's already flattened. But this is all they had. So, what I'm gonna do is flatten it out, like put some parchment paper down, because that's what the recipe, that's what the TikTok recipe had. Put some parchment paper down and then flatten it out and then kind of like put together the seasoning and the mixture. So let me get some parchment paper. What's this? That's wax paper. Wax paper, cling wrap. This is not parchment paper. Where's my parchment paper? Here it is. Found my parchment paper. Let's put some on the thing and let's just hope for the best. What's the harm in making 2 pizzas, right? Maybe my husband will take some to work with him or something. Because this is all I got planned for dinner. Oh my gosh, what am I even filming? So, now that you can see, I'm gonna take my dough. I've already washed my hands. My hands are nice and clean. I always wash my hands right before I start cooking dinner. Let me see, what the directions say. Place dough, okay, 450. Stretch dough by hand. Put it on, bake for 15 minutes. Okay, let's preheat this to 450. All right, this is ready to bake dough. In my bowl, I did butter. I did an entire stick of butter. I don't really know how much I'm gonna use, so I probably won't use all this butter, but I didn't wanna not make enough and then have to go back. So I did a whole stick of butter, about a tablespoon of garlic. I'm gonna use some crushed red pepper flakes, because this is gonna be the seasoning to our dough before we add on the sauce and the pepperoni and the cheese. Okay, some of those. Then we'll do regular pepper. gonna do some salt. I'm also gonna do some onion powder. The recipe didn't call for onion powder, but everything is better with a little bit of garlic and onion. And then some Parmesan cheese as well. I didn't really measure any of this. I'm just sort of like eyeballing it, to be honest, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of this in. I'm just measuring with my heart, and then I'm gonna mix it up and spread it all over the crust. I'm gonna just take some of this sauce from Aldi, spread it around, and put on all of my toppings. Mozzarella cheese is on, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this pepperoni and put it on the bigger one. The smaller one will be for my kids. They don't really like pepperoni too much, so I'm going to just leave theirs cheese. Pizzas are in. I didn't stuff the crust like the recipe called for because my dough was a little bit different, and my dough wasn't as like malleable as hers was because it didn't come in like a sheet like hers. So I just left it unstuffed, but it would have been a really good stuffed crust. But and honestly, I probably wouldn't have had enough cheese if I stuffed the crust for all the like middle cheese. Anyways, it's in there, it's cooking. I hope it turns out good. But now I have to put all this stuff away. The lighting is coming through my window really strange. I'm trying to block it so you guys can see the pizza, but turned out really good. Definitely better than what I expected, so hopefully it tastes good.